welcome to another segment of Not All SQL Equal. Today, we're going to focus on a DBT Airflow utility that creates Airflow DAGs from a DBT project. Firstly, a little bit about ourselves. My name's Fizzler, and I work for the data engineering team here at Projective Group. I have many years' experience, more than I care to mention, but the tech stack I'm currently focused on is on the Airflow, DBT, Snowflake, Python, and CI/CD processes. My colleague Nitin Garg, who we're doing the demo, apart from being a genius, has a similar level of experience and also is focused on the similar tech stack himself. In this segment, we're going to go through the open source DBT Airflow utility. As I introduced earlier, it creates an Airflow DAG on the DBT project. The utility has the same look and feel as a DBT command line interface. A good example of this is it utilizes the plus and n plus DBT graph operators, which will determine which models will be incorporated into your Airflow DAG. Nitin will be showing you this in the upcoming demo. Each generated DAG can be easily tailored to add customized logic. It can also be version controlled within GitHub. Airflow DAGs can be generated using tags or the model names. Tests can either be included or excluded in your Airflow DAG pipelines. So, Nitin, show him what it's all about.
Thank you, Fizzler. Now let's see the utility in action. So for this demo, I have got Airflow instance running locally on my PC. I have also created a DBT project using Jeffrey Shop example. You can see the lineage graph of all the models present in that project. Now let's say I want to build an Airflow DAG for DIM customers model, and I want to also include all its associated upstream and downstream models. So I can apply a filter using graph operators here to see the visualization of that DAG. Let's build this as an Airflow DAG with the utility. So I'm in my DBT projects folder and I've got this utility installed in the virtual environment. So I can run this command which shows on the terminal window and I'm passing an model named dim customers with the graph operators, and optionally I have included the location where I want this DAG to be generated. This is my Docker location where my Airflow instance is running. Yeah, so the DAG is finished. I can quickly check into the Airflow folder. I can see that the DAG has been generated with the correct format. Now let's check it on the UI as well. So if I refresh this, the dim customer is available now, and I can check in the graph, and the graph shows me all the models that are currently present in my dim customer. Now let's say I don't want the test customer ID not null to be included in this DAG. I can very simply do it by regenerating the DAG, and this time including -st option. So the DAG is generated now. I can quickly check. I don't see test task here. Let's go back in the UI and check it again. So got dim customer, and in the graph this time I don't have the test included in my DAG. Now this was with the model name, but if I want to select it based on the tag name, so I've got a couple of tags defined on my DBT project. Let's say I want to build a DAG for monthly order snapshot. So I can apply a filter on tag from this UI, and this is the kind of tag that I want to build from the utility. So let's go and try to build this. So this time what I'll do, I'll, instead of specifying the model name, I can specify a tag name with T, and the tag name is monthly order. Yeah. So the DAG is now generated. If I go back into my folder where Airflow is running, I can see another file being generated here. So I'm sure the file is there. Now, if I go into Airflow UI, I should see the second DAG, monthly order is present. And looking at the graph, I see that it matches to what I see on the DBT project. So this was a small demonstration of the utility, and I hope I have covered some of the features that Fizzler talked about. So I'll hand it back to Fizzler. Uh, Fizzler, over to you. Thank you.
Thanks, Nissim, for that great demo. We hope you enjoyed this segment of Not All SQL is Equal. As we said, this is an open source, free to use utility. Please scan the QR code for access to our GitHub repo. We would love the wider community to contribute to this utility. If you have any suggestions, we'll be happy to welcome them. Thank you for watching.